see more? Click the blah.
I just said I'm gonna turn both on.
Oh. Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of What Rose Knows. I'm super excited because we are getting in the spirit of School Choice Week, and I got this box here, and I am excited because I'm going to do my very first unboxing video. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, stick around. Celebrating School Choice Week this week, and I got this lovely package in the mail because I signed up and they just shipped it to me for free. So let's talk for a second. I am super into school choice because I think that we are super blessed in this country to be able to homeschool our children. And we have so many options here: charter schools, public schools, private schools, homeschool. Some states have cyber schools. There's just a lot to choose from. And it's really a big deal when you consider other countries where they are mandated to go to one type of school and there's no choice at all. So being able to pick what works best for your family is so important. And that's why I signed up to celebrate School Choice Week. So I've already cut this open, but I wanted to open it with you all. So let's check it out. Ooh, fancy. Somebody actually packed this box up like a gift. Stop, please read. This box of supplies is a free gift. Use these supplies to celebrate National School Choice Week in January. All right, free gift. Love it. Let's check it out. Oh, little signs. Okay, so we're gonna post on social media. I see this. Okay. I'm celebrating School Choice Week because we love homeschool. Okay, so there's a bunch of these. Maybe one for each kid. Awesome. What else we got in here? A little booklet talking about School Choice Week. Shining a spotlight on effective education options for every child. Oh, it's pictures of past parties. You got balloon arches and all these school kids out in front of buildings with their scarves on. Fun. Let me learn. Awesome. And here's the exciting part for us. School choice scarves. How do I look? I guess I should put the words in the front. So basically what we're going to do is wear these around this week and maybe draw some attention, and when someone asks us, hey, why you guys got all those weird matching scarves? And I'll be like, it is School Choice Week. Let's see, so I got a scarf for everybody in the family. Stickers! Oh my goodness, I love stickers. I'm an ambassador, School Choice, National School Choice Week. One of these is ending up in my planner, for sure. What else? I think this might be some kind of poster. Let's see. Put kids first, people. School choice. I'm gonna have to figure out where to hang that. School Choice 101, a little rack card. School choice means letting parents choose the best education environments for their individual children. These options include traditional public schools, public charter schools, public magnet schools, private schools, online learning, and homeschooling. Why school choice? Every child is unique and kids learn in different ways. What may be a great school for one student might not be a good fit for another. By providing parents with the power to choose the best education environments for their kids, children have more opportunities to receive a challenging, motivating, and effective education. Yes. So, we just got this box of goodies. So, the way I got this was I went to the school choice website and put my name in there. And they sent this in time. I did this months ago. This was a surprise when it came because I totally forgot about it. So if you want a cool box for next January, you should go ahead and check that out. It is schoolchoiceweek.com. And don't forget, if you want to see more videos about what I think I know, go ahead and hit the